Okay, hello. I am going to record a little bit of a podcast about my new website. This is a major upgrade to my university website. First time in probably 15 years. I was using a static web page that I developed when I first became a faculty member. I used it primarily for postings related to my professional activities, my teaching, interest in software, student research, other things. I've taken that design and tried my best to update it. In many ways, this has got lots of the same content as my previous version of the website. Primary thing is that I've made a major effort to learn what's called Markdown for the development of web pages. This is the web page that I've posted recently for my university web page, and what I've used is Make Docs. It's document making program for using Markdown. So you can click on it. I left the link there. Makes fast, simple, downright gorgeous static site generator that's geared towards building project documentation. I was fairly interested in this when I came across it. I kind of think of my university website as documentation to my activities. And it's static, so the web server that it runs on does not have any content management system that I'm aware of, and wasn't really interested in using one of those things. I investigated Drupal and a few others. Anyway, this has worked real well for what I want to do. Plus, it runs on open source software. It was very straightforward to install on Linux and run, and it's very easy to maintain. So I'm looking forward to using this for the next 15 years. Okay, so here's what I've got. I've got a welcome page. Primary things that I've been working on. I'm certainly teaching and doing various things in research. I've got links to my book with Bruce Trumbo, and I'm currently chair, and I'm very interested in QR codes. I posted a welcome message. You can take a picture and see what that is. I've also posted what it is and some of the software that I've used. Listed my interests. I'm certainly interested in R code. It's very nice to post R code with Markdown. I may do another video about some of the innovations in RStudio related to R Markdown, which I've also learned recently. I've posted an about page. I've put together a lot of different parts of my previous website into this. This is all kind of about me as a faculty member. I certainly have my CV posted there. Links to the universities and programs I attended, my main professional memberships that I'm interested in. I've also added all these things about, links to my Twitter posts. I've become much more interested in posting on Twitter. I think it's a very valuable way to sort of keep track of some of the ideas that I've been thinking about online. I've created actually 6, I guess I'm missing a couple of links here, 6 separate blog posts that are not necessarily straight off of my main Professor Suess blog. So I post various things, and I've done that for a number of years. You can look back at some of the things. What I've decided is I think having separate blogs for very particular topics so that I can keep track of what is where is useful, and then I still have some of my pages that are still posted on the primary blog. The key one is sort of the links to my the book with Bruce Trumbo. I also have some other things. A key thing that I think is a page is finding a job in statistics, which I think is just useful advice for students how to apply to PhD programs. A link to some analytics blogs that I read on a regular basis. Anyway, this is a variety of WordPress pages. blogs. I've also started to learn what GitHub is. I'm trying to use that more for posting of code, certainly for the book, and will be a place where I post things for classes. Also have a link to my LinkedIn profile. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, I highly recommend that you get busy and start working on it. I've been following, various former students and colleagues on LinkedIn for years, and I think it's very valuable. And then Reddit, I've recently gotten interested in Reddit. I have not participated in this enough, but it's another thing that I've posted a link to. Have a overall link to everything, the support materials for the book. I've posted best I can, over the years as a faculty member, links to presentations and papers that I've written. I'm not done posting everything, but I'm working on that. So tried to make sure I have made done something every year, and I'm going to continue to try to do that. This is where I've posted links to all of my past class material. I'll be posting updated things for new classes as I teach them. I've uploaded all of the main university pictures that I've maintained to Microsoft OneDrive. I think it works quite well, and I don't know, better than the way I had it posted before. And I've got links to some of the things I'm interested in. Certainly Bayesian statistics, R, visualization software. I've become interested in Python and a few other languages. Actuarial science, I'm going to try and expand that. So anyway, and then back to the beginning, if you need to contact me, it's Eric Suess at CSU East Bay. I'm also on campus in that office there at North Science 229. Welcome to my new webpage. Thank you. Bye.